Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal for secure payments and privacy controls step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.paypal.com and press enter. Wait for the PayPal homepage to load completely. In the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you must enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. After verifying your information, click the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your phone for a verification code. Enter this code into the provided field. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, navigate to your account settings for privacy controls. Select the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Explore options such as privacy, notifications, and security settings. Adjust your preferences according to your desired level of privacy and security. To log out, return to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Select the Log Out option to exit your account securely. Always log out, especially when using public or shared computers. This ensures your account remains secure and your personal information is protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.